This video will demonstrate how to remove and replace the cooling filter included with your V12Plus Outdoor Digital Menu Board, or ODMB. For other videos showing how to gain service access to your V12Plus, visit the Stratacache ODMB Support YouTube channel. At the bottom rear of the ODMB, you will find a filter cover for each LCD. Locate the two thumb screws on the bottom edge of the filter door and loosen them fully. If there are additional thumb screws, loosen them fully as well. To remove the filter cover, slide it down until the top lip clears free from the enclosure. After removing the filter cover, you will gain access to the filter compartment. The first filter visible is the pre-filter. It is designed to protect the more expensive cooling filter and should be cleaned or replaced at the beginning of each season. For more details, see the ODMB maintenance guide. Note: while removing the pre-filter, it is important to not bend the frame. If the frame is bent, the pre-filter can no longer be used. To remove the pre-filter, slide it upward to clear the holder tabs located at the bottom of the filter bracket. With the pre-filter removed, the cooling filter will be exposed. Important: only remove the cooling filter if a replacement is available. Unlike the pre-filter, the cooling filter cannot be washed and reused. Wetting the pleated hydrophobic material will permanently block the fabric weave. Once removed, it is not recommended to reinstall the cooling filter. The cooling filter is secured by the filter bracket. The bracket is held in place by 3 bolts on the left and right sides of the bracket. The bolts are Allen head type and will require a metric M4 Allen key or wrench. Locate and remove all the bolts securing the filter bracket. Once the filter bracket is removed, the OSP type cooling filter can be pulled from the filter compartment. In some cases, the gasket on the front face of the cooling filter will stick to the filter compartment metal. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the filter loose. To install the new cooling filter, make sure to align the arrow indicating the airflow direction. The arrow must be pointed into the ODMB. Push the cooling filter back into the filter compartment. Secure the cooling filter by attaching the filter bracket using the 6 M4 Allen bolts. Bolts should be tightened until snug and then an additional quarter turn clockwise. Reinstall the pre-filter by sliding it into the filter bracket tabs located on the left and right bottom corners of the bracket. To reinstall the rear filter cover, first wedge its top tab into the ODMB. Then slide the cover up until the lower thumb screws are aligned with the screw holes. Secure all thumb screws available on the rear cover.